Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Parul. Today's makeup tutorial gonna be on this makeup look. If you wanna see how to get the makeup look, please keep on watching. Before we jump into the video, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it and let's get started. Firstly, I'm starting with the eyebrows. I'm filling in my eyebrows with Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Pro Pomade in shade dark brown. Whenever I go for the glam makeup look, I always choose Dip Pro Pomade and I'm filling in my sparse areas. Now I'm going with my P. Louise eye base and cleaning underneath my eyebrows and priming my eyes with concealer brush. This eye base is perfect. You don't need to set this base with any powder as compared to your normal eye primer or concealers. Now I'm putting my shadow shields. I like the sharp line at the end. And now I'm going with my Jaclyn Hill Palette Volume 2 and taking the shade Heart On with flat blending brush. I'm just lining up the color as my transition shade. And you see me talking in the video. I'm talking with my daughter because my daughter was sitting behind me. Then slowly blending all over my eyelid. Now I'm taking my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette and taking the shade Saffron and applying where I put Heart On with the same blending brush. Now I'm taking the clean blending brush so there will be no harsh lines. Once again, I'm going with my Jaclyn Hill palette and taking the shade Temperance, the black shade, applying on the outer corner of the eye. I need the definition, or you can say darkness, in the outer corner of the eye. Then I'm blending with the shade Saffron and Heart On. Once again, I'm going with the P. Louise eye base and cutting the crease. And the easiest way to cut the crease, just look up and wherever concealer touches your skin, you have to put it till there. Now I'm taking my favorite palette, Morphe 10G Cleanser Up palette, and taking the shade Dream Big and applying on the first half of the eye where I cut the crease. It's a very pretty shade. Then I'm once again going with the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and taking the shade Cosmo and applying with my fingers. I'm blending both the colors together. This is so satisfying to take out your shadow shield and looking at the sharp line. For eyelashes, I'm going with Eyelure pre-glued eyelashes and I pop on off the camera. For moisturizer, I'm going with Cosrx Advanced Nail 92 All-in-One Cream with the combination of Embryolase. My skin is dry, so I need the hydration. You can use Embryolase as alone as a primer. Now for the primer, I'm going with Farsali Liquid Glass Serum. Look at that smile on my face holding Farsali. That's my favorite primer. For color correction, I'm going with Becca Cosmetic Under Eye Brightening Corrector Light to Medium and applying underneath my eyes, little bit wherever I have dark spots and on my nose. It's my first time using this and so far I liked it. Setting that with Laura Mercier translucent powder because you don't want that your peachy color correction blended with your foundation and give that peachy effect. Why I'm so over dramatic, drama queen. Okay, let's move on to foundation. For foundation, I'm going with full coverage Huda Beauty foundation in shade Toasted Coconut and applying with my beauty blender. With Huda Beauty, you don't need a much product, you just need one pump and it does the job. I love this foundation for special occasions or any party or any event. If I'm going, I will go for Huda Beauty foundation and just blend, baby, blend. Now to get the brightening effect underneath my eyes, I'm going with my L'Oreal concealer in shade Vanilla and applying underneath my eyes, little bit on my chin and little bit on my forehead and blending with the same beauty blender. I'm in a good mood today. I think so. If you want a good concealer, go for this one. It's very affordable and it's a full coverage. Now I'm going with Huda Beauty translucent powder, not the translucent powder, it's Easy Bake Loose Powder in shade Pound Cake, and applying wherever I put the concealer and applying all over my face so my foundation will not move throughout the day. Now it's time to contour. For contour, I'm going with Huda Beauty Tantour in shade Medium and applying on my cheekbones, on my jawline. Then I'm blending with the small buffing brush because we don't need any harsh lines, harsh contour, harsh edges. Please don't judge me. I'm in a mood. I'm in some mood. To get the more warmth on your face, I'm going with Too Faced Solid Bronzer and applying wherever I have contour. As it is a glammical look, how can I forget my nose contour, but I'm contouring only with powdered bronzer. Now it's time to get the sharp contour. I'm baking with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Now for the blush, I'm taking my L'Oreal blusher, some Malin something. I will leave it in the description box and I'm just dabbing on my cheeks. Now I'm dusting up that baking. Now to finish up the eyes, I'm taking Huda Beauty Life Liner and applying on my waterline. Once again, I'm taking my Jaclyn Hill palette and taking the shade Living My Best and applying on my lower lash line. I'm getting a little bit wing with the same shade. And it's time for highlighter. I'm going with my Makeup Revolution highlighter, just my type. Look at that glow. How can I forget this highlighter? I'm using after so many days. And same highlighter on the inner corner of my eyes and on my brow bone. And to set my eyebrows, I'm taking Benefit 24 Eyebrow Setter. This is the best product. Just invest in this one. Now to set makeup in place, I'm taking MAC Prep and Prime Fix and my all-time favorite Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And I quickly pop on my dress, jewelry, and did my hair. And I'm going with Stila Liquid lipstick in shade Beso. After applying, observe this is too bright. And I like this shade, but I'm not going for this kind of color. So I decided to go with Kat Von D liquid lipstick in shade Everlasting. And this shade is perfect for every skin type. I think so. What you reckon? Do let me know in the comment section. And ta-da! This is the final look. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you know the drill. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. And please let me know in the comment section if you like these videos, these kinds of videos, or if you want to see something else. And all the products will be listed in the info box below, and my social media account will be listed in the info box below. Do follow me there, and I will see you in my next video. Till the time, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye. Mwah.